Today we will do some question that is based on AP because I have already taught you all the concept that is related to AP. Question: for what value of n a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n is the arithmetic mean of a and b? You know already this is a and this is b, but I just suppose capital A is the arithmetic mean between a and b. This sequence is in AP. Therefore, you know already the value of arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b upon 2. In questions, the value of a is given a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by a to the power n plus b to the power n, and this is equal to a plus b upon 2. Now, we have to find the value of n here. Because of this, I just cross multiply with 2 here and a plus b with this. Then we get 2a to the power n plus 1 plus 2b to the power n plus 1 is equal to a plus b into a to the power n plus b to the power n. Again, this is 2a to the power n plus 1 plus 2b n plus 1 is equal to a multiply with this, it becomes a to the power n plus 1, a multiply with this, it becomes ab to the power n, plus b multiply with this, ba to the power n, and this is b to the power n plus 1. Now, a to the power n plus 1 here and 2a to the power n plus 1 here, this becomes a to the power n plus 1. And here 2b to the power n plus 1, and in this side it is given b to the power n plus 1. Then you say b to the power n plus 1 in this side, it becomes b to the power n plus 1 is equal to, that is ab to the power n plus ba to the power n. This is a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 is equal to ab to the power n, and this is ba to the power n. Because of this, I just split this in two parts, a to the power n into a, and a to the power n here we shift in this side. Then we get ba to the power n is equal to, that is ab to the power n, and here minus b to the power n dot b. Here we can take a to the power n common, it becomes a minus b, and in this side we will take common b to the power n, then we get a minus b, this and this gets cancelled, then we get a upon b to the power n is equal to 1, and this is also is equal to a upon b to the power 0. This and this gets cancelled, we get n is equal to 0. This is the value of. Now this is the next question. If S1 be the sum of 2n plus 1 terms of an AP and S2 be the sum of its odd terms, then prove that S1 is 2S2 is equal to 2n plus 1 is 2n plus 1. Suppose the AP is having 2n plus 1 terms. Because of this, I just suppose the first term is A, second one that is a plus d, third a plus 2d, and last term is given, that is a plus 2n plus 1 minus 1 into d. It means in AP the 2n plus 1 terms are given. The sum of these terms is equal to, that is S1, and this is equal to 2n plus 1 upon 2, because you know the formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, it means 2n plus 1 minus 1 into, then 1 and 1 gets cancelled, 1 minus 1. We get S1 is equal to, that is 2n plus 1 into, here this is 2nd and this is 2a. Now you can take 2 common, gets cancelled by this, we get a plus nd. This is the value of S1. But in question, S2 is given, this is S1, but S2 it means is the sum of odd terms. Odd terms, it means this is the first term, that is odd terms. This one is the third, that is odd terms. It means the collection of odd terms are, that is a, this is a plus 2d, this one is a plus 4d up to last term. Last term, that is the 2n plus 1th term. This will also be odd because first term is odd, third term is odd. Therefore, the 2n plus 1 terms will also be odd. It means this is a plus 2nd. It means from here to here sum is given as 2. It means the total terms is 2n plus 1, but odd terms will be n plus 1. because it will start from A. Because of this, the sum of odd terms is equal to n by 2. It is n plus 1 by 2. This one is 2a plus, first term is a plus 2d, a plus 4d, and this is a plus 2nd. But number of terms is n plus 1, therefore a plus n by 2. And this is 2a plus n plus 1 minus 1. It means S1 is given 2n plus 1 a plus nd. But here the first term is a plus 2d, a plus 4d, and this is a plus 2nd. But in this sequence, the number of terms is given n plus 1. Because of this, the value of S2 is equal to n plus 1 by 2. This is 2a plus n plus 1 minus 1. Because number of terms is n plus 1 minus 1 into d. But in this sequence, d is given 2d. Because a plus 2d minus a, that is 2d. A plus 4d minus a plus 2d, it becomes 2d. Instead of putting d, we have to put there 2d. Now 2 gets cancelled by this. We get n plus 1 into a plus nd. This is the value of S2. But we have to find the ratio of S1 and S2. Therefore, S1 upon S2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into a plus nd divided by, that is n plus 1 into a plus nd. This and this gets cancelled. We get S1 upon S2 is equal to 2n plus 1 upon n plus. This is the solution of this question. Question is, the ratio of sums of m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square, so that the ratio of the mth and nth terms is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. This is the question. Now the solution is, the sum of m terms, that is Sm m by 2, this is 2a plus m minus 1 into d, and the sum of n terms is n by 2, this is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The ratio of this, that is Sm upon Sn, is equal to m square upon n square. It means this is given in question. Now the value of Sm is given here. Because of this, it is m by 2, that is 2a plus m minus 1 into d, and this one is n by 2, this is 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is equal to m square upon n square. This and this gets cancelled, m gets cancelled by this, n gets cancelled by this. Now you cross multiply here, then we get 2an plus n m minus 1 into nd is equal to, that is 2am plus md into n minus 1. Now we have to find a or d to find the ratio of mth and nth terms. Because of this, I just shift 2am in this side and m minus 1 into nd in this side. Then we get, that is 2an minus 2am is equal to m into n minus 1 into d minus nd into m minus 1. Here we will take 2a common. It becomes n minus m is equal to, now this is d, that is mn minus m minus mn plus n. Then it becomes d into mn gets cancelled. It is n minus m. And this one is 2a into n minus m gets cancelled by this. We get d is equal to 2a. Now we have to find Tm upon Tn. That will be a plus m minus 1 into d, and this is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now d is given, that is 2a. Because of this, a plus m minus 1 into 2a divided by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. A gets cancelled by this. We get 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 is the value of Tm upon Tn. This is the ratio of mth and nth term. Again I am telling the solution of this question. You know already, Sm is given m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Sn is given n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the ratio is given Sm upon Sn is equal to m square by n square. Again, we will put Sm and Sn here. Then we get this one, that is 2a plus m minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m by n. Now we cross multiply. Then we get 2an minus 2am is equal to this. By solving this, we get d equal to 2a. Now we have to find the ratio of Tm upon Tn. Therefore, Tm is a plus m minus 1 into d and Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we put d is equal to 2a here. Then we get Tm upon Tn is equal to 2a minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. This is the question that is related to AP.